Hey there, I'm Sadie, and today I'll be doing a tier ranking of my favorite and least favorite brushes on Procreate. So let's get into it. Okay, so to start off, I have 11 brushes down here, and we have like 4 tiers. So the first one is Elite. This is like the brushes that I would use on a regular basis when making designs or stickers. These are ones that stand out. These are ones that you should use and you should know how to use. And then we have Cool brushes. These are the ones that I'm like, okay, I might not use these on a regular basis, but still cool. I still see you. That's a cool design, but was it worth it? That's the real question. And then we have just Aggravating. These are just hard to use. You need to stay away from them. They are just pure annoying. And then we have Pointless. And there's a few meanings to this. So let's start off and just choose a random brush right here. I'm going to start off with Dry Ink. Oh my gosh, I love her. She is amazing. She is the moment. She is elite. Dry Ink, I feel like, is very underrated in my opinion. A lot of people kind of forget to use it. It is perfect, in my opinion, for doing lettering. So please keep Dry Ink in your mind because she is worth it. Next up is, how do I pronounce this? Tylosine. Pretty sure that is wrong, but Tylosine we have some opinions on. No. She's not worth it. I don't know who at Procreate headquarters thought that this was a good idea because it wasn't. I don't know anyone who would use this on a regular basis for a sticker, let alone an actual design. It is aggravating to use. It is hard, and it just straight up does not look good. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna give it the Pointless category, and I know that might be harsh. And remember, this is just my opinion, but girl, it's not worth it. Okay, up next is Hexavector. Again, pretty sure that is wrong. Hexavector, oh my god. Okay, so I will need to show you this to really explain it. But basically, when you use this brush and you choose a color, for instance, it doesn't make it that actual color. It changes it to like gray or something if I want like pink. It's so annoying and I don't understand it. It's just straight up aggravating. So of course it belongs in that category. Although the design is kind of cool, I just don't understand the color palette and how that works, so maybe I'm missing something. Next up is Flat Brush. Oh my. Okay, I feel like we're putting a lot of these in the aggravating, pointless category, but this has to go there too, I'm sorry. A lot of people like Flat Brush, I've heard some rumors, but for me personally, I think I messed something up in the like manual tab because it just doesn't work for me. So stay away from that for sure. Next up is Soft Brush. Oh, she is the moment. Out of all of the like airbrushing tools, this is by far and away my favorite. She matches so well with a nice Gaussian blur. Oh my god, it's perfect. Please, 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 if you're trying to do a drop shadow, use Soft Brush. It's perfect. Hard Brush, I have mixed feelings with. Soft Brush, she works every time. She is perfect. We love her. 5 stars. Gold medal. It's amazing. I really have strong feelings for some of these. So, up next is Blackburn. Oh my god. Okay. So Blackburn I kind of just discovered when doing this video. If I'm being honest, I didn't really know of it before, but I definitely will use it more. So I'm going to bring it up to the Cool Brushes tab, because I feel like it was really a nice invention for a brush, but I'm not going to use it on a regular basis because though like it kind of goes really thick in the middle, which isn't something I'm getting used to. Now we have Monoline. If you've watched any of my tutorials before, you know my feelings about Monoline. I use it in every tutorial, therefore it should be in the elite category. Again, absolutely perfect every time, as long as you don't mess up the manual changes with like the streamline, which I have done in the past. Make sure to duplicate it so then you can save those changes because she's perfect. So we have 4 more left. Let's go to Wasteland. Again, another one that you normally wouldn't use on a regular basis, but is a pretty cool invention too for a brush. So I'd have to bring this up to cool brushes too. And I highly recommend using Wasteland if you need kind of a rocky landscape in one of your photos that you're making. Definitely use this brush. Little Pine. Okay. It does not have a point to it. And I mean that in many ways. First of all, the actual brush is so thin, which I understand if you're gonna do like sketching maybe, but like you can barely even see it like show up. So for me personally, I see no point in that. So that means it has to go into the pointless category. We have 2 more left. Let's go to Clouds. Again, a really cool brush. Definitely would love using it for a background or a wallpaper. So that's gonna go up to cool brushes. And we have 1 more left. Guess in the comments here what category, what tier you think I'm going to put the Nardurner pencil in. Pretty sure we said that incorrectly too. So I think I'm gonna put the Nardurner, the Nardurner pencil is going to go into the elite category, even though I don't use it that often. Unfortunately, I'm not someone who sketches out every one of my drawings, even though I probably should. I sometimes just go straight into using a monoline brush, but when I do feel like I should sketch them out, I tend to go towards the Nardurner pencil. So that is it for my tier ranking of Procreate brushes, and I hope you found this kind of helpful or even fun, and if you did, please go and subscribe, and I will have more Procreate content coming your way. Thank you, and have a good day.